Hello family, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. We have a new day and a new opportunity. This one is focused on RWA, which is real world asset, and the project has announced its airdrop today. Yes, today itself. And this might be a video that can change your life because this is a free airdrop. All you need to do is perform a set of actions, and after doing so, you will be eligible for the airdrop. The mainnet of the project is about to launch this year, so that means you can encash your tokens and make some good money by just putting in your time and effort. So without further delay, let's talk about Joltify and its airdrop. Now before I begin, remember, if you're new here, do press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already. And remember, we have a dedicated Telegram community, a group of members talking about cryptocurrency on a daily basis, sharing crypto pumps, crypto pre-sales, crypto launches, and of course new token launches and new information like this one, so that you remain on top of the game. So click on the link below and join our Telegram group right away. Remember, it is free of cost. Yeah, with that, let's begin. Let's talk about the airdrop. This is about the Joltify. Now what is Joltify? Let me give you a brief. So this is Joltify. Joltify Finance, the first EVM compatible game changing L1 public chain built on Cosmos SDK for real world asset, which is RWA, which is a thing in 2024 and beyond. Of course, they have multiple product lines, but the thing is, we are going to focus on the airdrop. And the second thing, the token is already live and listed on exchanges. You can see the price 30 cents at the time of creating the video. It hit an all-time high of around 74 cents according to CMC, and all-time low of course 2 cents. So clearly you can get this token, you can encash it, you can convert into US dollar, and of course you can spend it. So this is a win-win situation for you if you participate in the airdrop. Now second thing, let me give you an official announcement before going to the airdrop. So this is the official announcement that is made today. You can see here 1 minute and right over here, introducing like 10 hours back only. This is the one. Introducing the all new Joltify Chain Points Hub. Join us today and invite your friend to start earning points. Engage in quick and easy tasks to unlock thrilling rewards down the line. That means free airdrop. This hub is an invitation only, so you can only participate if you click on the link below with the invite code in it. Once you click it, you will join it, and once you join it, you can participate in the airdrop. It is only invite only basis, so remember that. And after you join, you can get your own invite code and share among your friends. And of course, you can also comment your invite code in the comment section below so that other members can also benefit from that. So this was the official announcement. Now let me go to the point right away. So this is the website, which is hub.joltify.io. Once you come to the website, you need to connect your Kepler wallet, which is your not MetaMask, this one, your Kepler wallet, this one. So once it's open, so this is Kepler wallet, which is Cosmos compatible, specifically for Cosmos. Once you click with the link that I've shared in the description, you will automatically be eligible to participate in this airdrop task. So here, all you need to do is perform simple task, connect wallet, follow Joltify since I've done it, join Joltify, do special mission, do testnet mission. Let me give an example of one testnet mission. Let me click on start, which will take you to their testnet website, and here you need to connect the same Kepler wallet that you have used while collecting the task option. So here, connect your Kepler. It is connected automatically for me, and again do the simple swap. So I have this much token, let me do with 100 and this much. So you can see it's a very simple task. Click on the task and it will take you to the website, perform the task, and that's easy. You will get the points, approve it, and this task is almost done. Very simple, very straightforward. So again, this is a testnet, so you're not spending even a dime from your pocket. Again, this is coming soon. Mainnet missions are coming soon, and the squad roles, you can check it out. So again, very easy, doable, and you can check the leaderboard. The top one has just 430 points. So again, you can beat this guy with ease today itself. Yeah, so yeah, that's all about the Joltify airdrop. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Now remember, this task is started today, so if you are someone who is watching this video, you should participate as early as possible to qualify for the airdrop. Remember, the airdrop is already live. They have around 30 cents price, and it can pump more. Do the task, be eligible, get some token, make some money. That's about it. So with that, I complete the video. If you like the video, thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, join my Telegram, subscribe my channel, and let's meet tomorrow with a new video and a new content. Thank you.